Do you have Aquarium shop and you want to make a landing page for your Aquarium shop? So I'm already make a video in the previous. Please watch it. So in the previous video, I'll show you. I am just if I go to the home page, so you can see that this is the home page. In the previous I just show you how to create this type of home page, landing page, uh, in the Elementor Pro page builder and some free plugins. So if you not watching, so please watch this, then just enter to this tutorial. So if you click on, you can see that this is the menu. You can see this is I'm adding one new section, that is shop page. So if you click on this page, so you can see that we are redirecting to the another page, that is this type of shop page. So you can see that if I'm hovering to the just this in the product, you can see this is the cart section and view section, and this is the link section, each games. So it is just possible in by using some free plugins. No, I'll not use any paid plugins, but I'll use Elementor Pro. This is paid, so you have to must have Elementor Pro, then just use these features. So if I'm just showing you, let me show the default shop page. You can see this is the default shop page, as in it is the WordPress. From after installing WooCommerce, you can see this type of shop page, just simple shop page. You can just add to cart, then you can just view cart with the another, just you can see that. But here is the another features, that is if I'm hovering, then the cart page will be came. If I'm just click on this icon, then you can see the pop-up will come, and this add to cart button, and this is the numbering section which came. If I'm just adding one product, that is add to cart, so automatically this is the sections will, you can see here this cart section is here. So if you click on it, then slightly open this type of. So I'm just adding cart, so removing this product, then again I'll automatically just show you how to create it. So here you can see that this is nothing, and just if I'm hovering and then one add to cart button, so you can see that this automatically came, and it is editable and customizable. If I click on this, so you can see that if you click on this, then you can see that if I'm just click on this and then preset 6 and 7, and just click on 7, so you can see that this just automatically came from slide enter. Then if I click on preset 5, then you can see that this is the buy now button, and it came with another style. That's it. I'm just giving to preset 7, so I already like it, so that's it, and just update it. So you can see that everything is customizable. So in this video I'll show you how to create that. So welcome to brand new video. I'm Soma from DCreato Academy. So at first I'm showing you just a plugin which I'm use. This is most important popular plugin for Elementor. So if you search Elementor for plugin section, you can see that this is the essential plugins for Elementor. This is the most important plugin for Elementor. If you cannot install, so please install it. You can see this type of install now button here. I'm already installing it. That's why I'm just they are showing the active button. So I'm just already installed it, so I'm just close this tab. Then you can see this type of shop page. I don't want to create this type of shop page. To that, at first create a shop page and then you use these features. So I'm already just created a shop page. That's why I'm just showing a new page. So just going to the page and add new, then I'll show you how to create that. So at first it's creating shop page. So if I'm just searching for new shop page, so then just click on the visible title, and customer's layout will be stretched, and then go to the publish button, and then again this is the edit with Elementor. Click on this button, this scroll button, click on this button, then it will redirect to the Elementor dashboard. So after this, just click on the settings, and this is the page layout. So click on Elementor canvas, then it will get full features from header to footer, everything. So just update it and go to the preview changes to see how it works. Then you can see that this is the shop page. So I'm just already copying this because I already show you how to create that. If you're not watching this, please watch this at first, and then just I'm pasting this, then delete this. You can see here this came, and this is the buttons. So how can add that? So plus deleting, I'm deleting person, click on this plus icon. Then if you search for cart, Then we can see this type of menu card button on Elementor Pro features. Just I'm installing it and just place it here. So you can see that it is came, and I'm already customized it. So I'll show you how to create that. So just click on card solid, then go to the style tab, and here you can see subtotal. You can just you can only place the icon here. I'm already show you how the dollar prices anything. So I'm giving the alignment center. Go to the style tab, and text color will be pure new global color. Then if I'm hovering, so text color will be pure black color, and this the background color will be this type of color. So if I'm hovering, so it will come, and I'm increasing the size to 10 pixel. Sorry, I'm increasing the size to 20 pixel, and the spacing will be 10 pixel. That's it. If I'm hovering, so it will come smoothly. That's it. Then just update it. Then you can see this is came. So then you may see that how just we add this by button from here. So this is the, if you just go to the previous page, and I'm just showing you how to just click on the, if you home, just click on this home page. You can see this is the buy now button. Then if I'm clicking, so it will redirect to the shop page button. So this is the link, this is the just link permanently. So you have to just paste the link from this buy now button from the Elementor dashboard. If I'm just showing you edit Elementor, then just loading this page, please wait. So after loading this is the buy now button. You have to just add buy now, this link, the shop page link from the buy now button. You just click on this, and then just this is the link, so just copy it, and you can see that if you click on this button, so you can see that this is the link, just paste it the link from here. So then you'll know when you click this button, so it will redirect to the shop page. That's we created the shop page. And then I'm showing you how to create this type of the sections and this type of product page. So then just at first just click on the plus icon and just copy the heading. I'm going to show you how to just create this heading, so I don't know how to bore you. Just placing this heading from here and paste it here. You can see this came. Then we have to create this type of product section. So I'm already added different many products, up to 100 of products. Products you can add, because you have to already selected in the at first I called WooCommerce. So I'm just already click plus icon and go to this three dot button, advanced sections, and top padding will be 80 pixel, bottom padding will be 80 pixel. Then click on this plus icon and search for product. If you search for product, then lots of features will come. We have to just selected the product archive. That's it. This is the product archive from Elementor. You can just place it here. Then you can see this type of product you can see here, but I don't know this. So click on the plus icon and search for product. So we'll see this is the product grid, that is Element essential add-ons. You can see here this is the EA features, that is that means essential add-ons. So I'm just placing it the product grid from here to here. Then you can see that this is the all features is came. So after this is the product settings. So if you click on this, then this is the many of things randomly just again this is the randomly came. So if I'm just, you can see here this is the product categories. So if I'm just adding one specific categories product, so only this specific product will come. So if I'm just clicking on this fish and stream, so only the fishes will come. That's it. Then you have to customize this product, this page to like this. So how to customize it? Just click on this, and then you can see here this is the layout. So this is the masonry layouts, and then this is style British. I'm just click on this preset 7. You can just anything, add anything. You can see here this smoothly came. Then we have to just change the color. So go to the style tab and go to the color and typography, and you can see this is the violet color, I think. So but go to the button, and this is a background color. So background color will be this type of color. If I'm hovering, so it will come. Then if I'm clicking on this, then you can see this pop-up is came with this type of violet color, then pink color. So how to create that? This is a pop-up section. If you, this is a pop-up section, just place and click on it, then you can see this type of color. So price will be just this type of colors, and this add to cart button. So This is the add to cart button. So and then the background color will be this type of color. When if I'm hovering, so the pink color came. The background color will be this type of color. If I'm hovering, so the hard green color will came. That's it. Then just update it. If I'm hovering, so it will just come, and then you can just add to one border radius. So I'm just pressing this and click on this, and then go to the advanced tab, and this is the border. So you can add the border. So I'm just adding one. Sorry, I'm just adding columns border. So click on this and the style tab. This is the border radius, and this is the border color. So border color will be this type of new global color, and then border radius will be only, I'm giving 5 pixel. That's it. And then I'm in decreasing this color opacity to this type of middle opacity. Then that's it. Just click on update. After updating it, so the page will automatically came with this type of green colors and with hover effect with anything. Just if I click on it, so it will came. If I'm adding to cart, so automatically the cart will came. After adding with, I'm just adding with you live. So if you click on this, so automatically you can see that this is cart is came. If you click on it, so automatically the this is type of view cart section is checkout page is automatically came from slide. So that's how I can make this type of custom product page or shop page or anything. So in this way I'm just copying you all the products from things. So I'm just writing this. So this you can just add tools. So how to do that? Just click on this plus icon, then just click on the plus icon again. Then if you search for product, sorry, just search for product. So you can see that a lots of things here. So ignore this, just click on this product. So after adding product, you can see the essential add-ons. So if you're not searching getting this, just click on this to disclose the basics, and then disclose this pro and then general, and then you can see that essential add-ons. So here you will get all the plugins and add-ons. These are the features from here. So if you want to add the product grid or something, so you can search it from product grid, but you can search it from also here. So if you scrolling from here, so you can see that this is the checkout page and this form page and everything, dynamic gallery, everything. So friends, just I'm scrolling, I'll show you how to just create. So if you search for product grid, so you can see that this essential utensils came. Just place this from here, and then go to the product settings and just adding one category. You can, if I'm just adding tools, so only tools will came. You can see that this tools will came. So you may have think that how to add product. So go to the dashboard. Just go to the dashboard, and you can see this the WooCommerce. This is the features WooCommerce, and then this is the products is below under WooCommerce. So this is the products. So if I click on all products, so you'll see lots of products. You can see here lots of products. If I'm just deleting one product and adding just, and so just I'm deleting this product, this is the filter. So I'm just deleting this, then adding one filter. So I'm deleting this, and then this is the filter. So I'm just copying this, and how to add the product. So go to the, just click on this add new, and then just search the product name, and then search for just anything for description. So regular price, if I'm giving $5, that's it. And this is short description with this filter. So then set product image. So I'm already uploaded image. I'll give you the image, all the images from the description, you can download. So this is the image, and you can set the category from here. So here you can just add any category. So if I'm just searching for anything, just just writing fish. So this is the fish categories came. You can see that if you just click on this fish category, so only filter will came. So I don't know to create that, so I'm just searching for tools. So I already created the tools category, so I'm just giving it tools category from that, and then publish it. So after publishing it, then just create the new page from reloading this page. So here you can see that this is the fish only came. Then after that, click on this plus icon. Sorry, just click on this view product again. At first view product, you can see that this is the product it came. So then click on this and then go to the plus icon and search for product grid, product grid, and then place it here, and then go to product settings, and if you search for plus icons and tools, so this is the filter scheme. I'm already just I'm showing you how to create the product. So that's it. Just I'm deleting this and update this page. So if you can see that this is came. So if I'm just go back to the home, then again go to the buy now section, sorry, buy now button, click on this buy now button, so shop page will came. So this is the video. If you want to just make that, I'm just editing, only just editing this shop page. So if you want to just show you this type of checkout page or how to just set up payment or anything, so please comment down as your topic, so as your wish. So I'll like to try to make as your wish topic anything. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and thanks for watching.